In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video to Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect as your video moves from your computer into your Canva project, with a few simple tips to keep everything running smoothly. First, look at the left-hand side of the Canva editor. You'll see a vertical toolbar with options for elements, text, and more. Find and click on Upload. This opens the Upload panel, which is where Canva gathers all the media you bring in: images, audio, and of course, videos. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the main editor view rather than on a dashboard or template preview. Next, inside that upload panel, click on Upload Files. This button triggers your computer's file browser so you can choose the video you want. Think of this as the bridge between your device and Canva. You're simply pointing Canva to the exact file you want to use. A small tip here: if you have multiple versions, pick the highest quality copy that's still practical for upload. Formats like MP4, MOV, and WebM typically work well in Canva. Now select the video file from your computer. Navigate to the folder where it's saved, then highlight the clip you want to bring in. As soon as you select it, Canva begins processing it into your upload panel. You'll usually see a thumbnail and a progress indicator while it uploads. Larger files or longer clips may take more time, so keep your browser tab open and let the upload finish before you try to use the video. A stable internet connection helps a lot here, especially for high-resolution footage. While the upload is in progress, avoid refreshing the page or switching accounts. If you're working with a very large file and it seems slow, that's normal. Video uploads are heavier than images. If your file doesn't appear or stalls, double-check the format and try a slightly smaller export from your editor as a troubleshooting step. Once the upload completes, your video will appear in the upload panel, ready to be added to your design whenever you need it. That's all there is to it. Click on Upload, click on Upload Files, and select the video file from your device. With these three actions, your clip is safely in Canva, ready for trimming, resizing, or placing into any layout you're building. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with your newly uploaded video.